Are you ready to elevate teaching and learning? Today, we uncover instructional improvement. It's not just a buzzword, it's essential for better student outcomes. Let's dive into this crucial topic. Instructional improvement means enhancing teaching quality and effectiveness. Its goal: boost student learning results. This process is ongoing and cyclical. It starts with assessing current methods. Then, it involves implementing evidence-based strategies. Lastly, we evaluate what works and what doesn't. So, what frameworks guide this improvement? Let's explore 4 powerful frameworks. First, we have professional learning communities, or PLCs. In PLCs, teachers collaborate. They analyze student work and share effective strategies. This teamwork holds everyone accountable for student success. Next, there's instructional coaching. Coaches provide hands-on support. This includes modeling lessons and giving feedback. Coaching accelerates teacher growth and practice implementation. Now, let's talk about lesson study. This method originated in Japan. Teachers work together to design lessons, observe classrooms, and refine techniques. It enhances teaching skills significantly. Lastly, continuous improvement models borrow ideas from business. These models focus on iterative cycles, measuring results and learning from data. They drive effective instructional changes. What are some key elements necessary for success? Leadership and vision stand at the forefront. School leaders must define clear goals and allocate resources wisely. Then, we consider capacity building. This involves ongoing, relevant professional development tailored to teachers' needs. Data usage is crucial too. Assessment data must be reliable and actionable. It helps identify learning gaps and track progress. Additionally, collaborative structures are vital. Scheduled time for teachers to work together matters greatly. A supportive culture fosters innovation. Creating an environment valuing reflection and experimentation encourages risk-taking. Lastly, policies should promote local instructional innovation, not restrict it. Let's discuss evidence-based strategies for effective improvement. Firstly, explicit instruction is key. When teaching complex skills, model and provide feedback effectively. Secondly, formative assessments guide teaching and help students manage their learning. Differentiated instruction meets diverse needs while maintaining high expectations. It's essential for catering to all learners. Technology can personalize learning experiences. However, it must be thoughtfully integrated. Encouraging teacher metacognition helps too. Reflecting on practice and gathering evidence leads to informed adjustments. Challenges persist in instructional improvement. Limited time and inadequate professional development are common barriers. Teacher turnover further complicates efforts. Moreover, we must focus on equity. Initiatives should address achievement gaps and support those in greatest need. Every student deserves access to high-quality instruction. In summary, instructional improvement is crucial for enhancing teaching. It involves frameworks like PLCs, coaching, and evidence-based strategies. Success demands collaborative structures, strong leadership, and a focus on equity. Are you ready to transform your instructional approach? Start by exploring these frameworks. Share this video with colleagues and inspire change. Together, let's make education better for all students.